Since the beginning of time, people have been continuously trying to silence our voices. We were given no rights, no dignity, and no freedom. We were mercilessly murdered, drowning towns in blood. Thousands of years later, barely anything has changed. We're still victims of abuse, oppression, and discrimination. We still see articles on news and social media of women being killed by those who they trusted. And we can't help but wonder if we're next. We're still being failed by the system that is supposed to protect us. Yet instead, they turned their backs on us. This is a note to those who are afraid to speak up, and to those whose voices are permanently silenced.